Hey guys, welcome into the Frugal Fixer shop today. We took the old apron off and we finished doing the assembly. Let's check out the base today. Y'all want to see it? Let's go. Okay, I got it all put together, and my box with the parts in it's got a few washers and an empty pack from that. And so, yeah, I guess the gold pan of parts is finished. Now this thing started off, I called it the relationship nightmare because it was given to me by somebody that had relationship nightmares when it got broke. And so I took all those parts and I got a $25 piece of Sycamore out of a slab that I bought. Yep, $25 slab. Bought a truss rod, some frets, and a set of strings. So close as I can figure, I'm under $75 for the whole guitar. I gotta add it up and get it exact. But it intonates perfect, and everything is really working good. And let me just show you what it looks like and bring it in close, okay? So there you go. And then we come on down here and give y'all a little look at the headstock. There we go. And in the back of it here, there's the back Washburn tuners, because they, like I say, they come off of Washburn. Your skunk stripe starts right here and goes to here, and it blended in pretty good. You can see it, but it's in there pretty good. And then the back, the finish real good, right? Come out real good right here. Piece of Sycamore that needs a name, you know. So I'm gonna throw my leg up there so I don't fall. Go big, you know. I never realized how much thunder a big old B string on a 5-string bass brings, but this is so fills my heart so much. All my friends watched me and helped me and gave me advice, and I built my first scratch-built guitar. I mean, yeah, I went a little crazy and did a one-piece, and yeah, I'm a little different. And everybody knew that right off the bat a long time ago that I was a little different. But yeah, I built a one-piece bass guitar out of a piece of Sycamore, and I just loved every minute of it. And I saved what was a piece of crap that was broken half over there and made something out of the parts. And, you know, that's Frugal Fixer way. So it plays. The action is real low for a bass, according to what I'm looking at, and what little I know about basses. But yeah, I mean, I don't play bass guitar, folks. I guess y'all just realized that when I done that. I mean, that's about as good as it gets. I loved every minute of it. My first one, I'm just overjoyed. I mean, I made a video just to tell you about how happy I am, and I'm finished. I got this first one done, and I took my time and really worked my way through all the little processes, but yeah, the next one's gonna go a lot quicker. I got it already here, and I got those 3 up there that I need to finish up and get moving on. So there's 3 there and 1 in the cabinet. I'm just having fun. I'm a happy old man tonight, okay? I mean, I've been out here, it's been raining for hours. I didn't even go in and eat any dinner because I was so happy and it was raining, and I've been playing bass. So bring the thunder. Hey, I guess it's pretty darn rewarding, the first scratch build, and if all of the ones that've done it already know the feeling, and man, I'm gonna tell you what, there ain't nothing like this feeling. It's like real good drugs. Y'all take care of yourselves, and hey, remember this: God loves you, and so do I. You can't take it with you, so build you another bass or build you something. And hey, if you got to take in an old broken up bass or guitar to do it, then do that to get you some parts so you can finish, because you can build something pretty cheap and get the parts for free. Never know. Hey, guys. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate you all for hitting them buttons and subscribing and doing all that stuff. And it means a lot. And I'll appreciate you all for coming by. Thank you much. We'll see you on the next one. And yeah, I guess I can just sit here tonight and noodle away a little more. And I don't know but about 4 things on here, so I got a lot to learn. Y'all be good. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.